This video will cover the topic Complex Fraction, GCF Factoring.
What's a complex fraction?
A complex fraction is a fraction whose numerator or denominator or both contains fractions. Let's start off by looking at an example problem. Simplify x plus 5 over x plus 6 all over x over 2x plus 12. We start by rewriting the complex fraction as division. We then divide by multiplying by the reciprocal of the fraction we are dividing by.
So now what do we do?
Well, there's no terms that cancel at this point, so we need a factor term so that we can cancel something. Which term should we factor?
It looks like the only part we can factor is 2x plus 12.
That's right, we can factor out a 2 from each of these terms. This results in 2 times x plus 6. Now we have an x plus 6 in the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel these terms. This leaves us with 2 times x plus 5 divided by x, and since we cannot simplify this any further, it is our final answer. Let's do one more example. Simplify x over 3x minus 9 all over x to the power of 4 over 6x minus 12. We start by rewriting as division. Then we multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction we are dividing by. Next, we look for terms we can factor. In this example, it looks like there are several terms we can factor. We start by factoring 6x minus 12. This results in 6 times x minus 2. Let's also factor the terms in the denominators of both fractions as well. We can factor out a 3 from the first fraction, and this results in 3 times x minus 3. Finally, we can factor out an x from the denominator of the second fraction, and the result is x times x cubed. Now let's look to see what we can cancel.
It looks like we can cancel an x from the numerator and denominator, but I think that's it.
Yeah, we can cancel an x, but that's not all we can cancel. If we divide the coefficient of 6 in the numerator by the coefficient of 3 in the denominator, we are left with 2 in the numerator. This is all we can simplify, so our final answer is 2 times x minus 2 over x cubed times x minus 3.
So let me summarize what I just learned. We start by rewriting our terms as division. Then we divide by multiplying by the reciprocal of the term we're dividing by. Next, we look for terms that we can factor, and once we're done factoring, we look to see if we can cancel those factors. When there are no more factors to cancel, we have our simplified answer.
You got it!